Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you an amazing treatment. Okay, so will you just actually stop spending money on all of those expensive creams and all of that? Try this. Try this and you are gonna be testifying. Like, this is actually very good. Yeah, I assure you. Okay, so let me take you right into the video. Do not forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notification. Okay, drop your comments and let's go. Guys, so let me show you a great way in which you can actually stop spending your hard-earned money for cream and use this instead. Okay, so the first ingredient is carrot. Yep, now carrot contains a whole lot of nutrients that helps the skin to glow, and what you need to do is that you're gonna just apply it on your skin and you will have that glow. Okay, so carrot contains vitamin E, which helps to give your skin that great elasticity, which prevents your skin from aging, and it also tightens your skin up. So that's basically what carrot does. It does a whole lot of stuff to the skin. So why not just stop spending money for those expensive cream and try this homemade remedy. Okay, so I'm actually gonna be cutting them in little tiny pieces so that my blender can actually blend it well, since carrot is actually strong, kind of. So to enable your blender blend this very well, you're going to be needing a little water to blend the carrots. So I'm gonna be blending it. And then you blend it real good so that you can actually have your juice out, and so that the juice is gonna be much, yeah, because if you don't blend it smooth, the juice is not gonna be much. Okay, so now I'm gonna be sieving it out. Okay, so here I have my carrot juice, and you can actually use this carrot juice as a toner every morning before you bathe. Okay, it will glow your skin really good. All right, so I'll have to keep that aside, and we're equally going to be needing some rice. Okay, so using rice for this remedy helps so much in lightening up your skin, removing pigments, and then it also helps to glow your skin, because rice has been used many times for beauty regime and it works so well. It helps to make the skin really smooth. So this is actually a boiled rice. You can see that. Now you can actually decide to use the rice powder if you have rice powder, but since I have my boiled rice, I'm going to be using the boiled rice. Yeah, so I'm going to be grabbing my small tiny blender, and then I'm going to put all of the rice into the blender. put a little water so it could enable it to blend really good. Cover it really tight and then blend it. So you're going to blend it really good, yeah, so that it will be very smooth. And since we're going to be applying it on the face, it has to be smooth. So I'm going to be grabbing my bowl and I'm going to be putting just 2 tablespoons, since I actually do not need too much. I'm also going to be putting 2 tablespoons of the carrot juice that I earlier blended, and then I'll stir them together. So I'm also going to be needing to use milk. Now milk contains the lactic acid, which is very helpful for the skin. It helps the skin glow and it makes the skin super duper young and amazing. Okay, so I'm going to be putting just 1 tablespoon of the milk. Now enough of the lactic acid contains in this milk, so I do not need to put too much of it for a go. Yeah, so the next ingredient, which is very important, is yogurt. Now yogurt is a great anti-aging remedy that helps to glow the skin, polish up the skin, and remove inflammations and pigmentation, and also age spots. Yeah, so I'm gonna be needing a whole lot of those into the mixture, which I just took 2 tablespoons, and then I would stir this all up. And this is so superb. Okay, now to round it up, this is so amazing. Now if you don't want to use petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline, you can use coconut oil. Okay, so I'm gonna be using just a little bit of petroleum jelly into this. Now if you're using petroleum jelly, you would have to first of all dissolve it. So I'm actually going to be keeping it for it to just dissolve a little bit before applying it onto my beautiful face. So this is it. The color is really beautiful, the consistency is amazing, and the ingredients are superb. And why not just replace that expensive cream with this natural remedy? This is so amazing. This is everything. This is going to help your skin glow like magic. Okay, so let's go apply this on our face. Okay guys, what's up? Okay, so this is my ingredients, and for you to stop spending money on cream, you have to use this. This is actually so amazing. You've actually seen how it looks. Now before you apply this, you would have to dab your face with water, okay, so that your face could get soft, and so that when you want to apply this, it would actually get into your skin really well. Okay, so we're applying it this way. So a generous application of this is going to help your skin glow a whole lot. So you have to make sure, after all, it's much, so just apply it generously onto your skin, and you can give it double coating or triple coating. Okay, it's going to make it, very effective. And I'm not gonna be using my hand today to, scrub my face. You need scrubbing. Okay, I'm gonna be using this brush that I bought. It's actually not automatic, it is manual. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the brush. I'm gonna be dipping it into the treatment, and I'm gonna gently and carefully scrub my face with this instead of using my hand. Well, you can use your hand, guys. I was actually using my hand before I bought this brush. Okay, this brush has the one the automatic one here, but this particular one is the manual one that I have to use my hand to scrub. There's one automatic one that you just put it there, it scrub for you, but I have the strength to scrub, so I have to scrub. Okay, so you give this a general scrub, removing all of those dead skin cells and making your skin look vibrant, making your skin look renewed. So you make your skin look fresh and rejuvenated. Okay guys, so after which I've actually scrubbed, I'll have to be holding on for a little while, for at least 2 to 3 minutes, for it to get into my skin. And then I'm gonna go wash it off. I love to use my hand to just feel my skin when I apply things like this, just soften and make my skin so beautiful. I love it so much. Okay, so I'm gonna go wash it off after some few minutes, and your girl will be right back. Okay guys, so that's it. Do you know that carrot contains a lot of vitamins that helps your skin to glow really well, and this is actually very amazing. Okay, so that's it guys. If you do enjoy watching this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and also leave your comments. I'm going to answer your questions and share the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.